Assalamualaikum and hi guys, welcome back. Today we meet again, but at this video I want to share with you about aircraft instrument of A380. So let's go. The Airbus A380 is a wide-body aircraft manufactured by Airbus. It is the world's largest passenger airliner. Airbus studies started 1988 and the project was announced in 1990. It is because it to challenge the dominance of the Boeing 747 in the long-haul market. This kind of instrument often referred to as the navigation display. It replaced a number of different instruments found on a conventional aircraft instrument panel. This instrument had been available on Airbus aircraft since 2006. This visual guidance system has been shown to significantly increase pilot awareness.
Primary flight display, which is PFD. This is a modern aircraft instrument dedicated to flight information. Masalah mati function display. Primarily flight display are built on liquid crystal display or CRT display device. Representation of all the 6 pair of steam gauge. Instruments are combined on one compact display, simplifying pilot workflow and streamlining cockpit layout. Navigation display is in most of modern aircraft. The couple of PFD and LD is the present. The navigation display is screen display the real navigation status of the aircraft. So the main characteristic of navigation display is the color screen and the ability to display the different model and function: float, flown, VOR, AFD, ILS, weather radar, TCAS, and so on. So the two instrument PFD and navigation display has two, which is on pilot and co-pilot.
Other instrument in A380 is a ECAS or engine indicating a crew alert system. This system often used in a modern aircraft because it is a computerized aircraft. The information that we provide on the ECAS is engine parameter and editing crew to the pilot, and it also show the fuel quantity, cabin pressurization or landing gear and flat or flat position. So this is important for pilot to during the takeoff or landing. It's also equipped the aircraft recommended remedial action called checklist. Last but not least is the MFD or multi-function display. This system shows all the important information for in aircraft for pilot references. The information that is provided on the system is a flight plan data, which is come from the flight departure that is responsible for to planning the aircraft flight, and it also provide the weather radar, and it has a terrain awareness and warning system or TAWS, and it also have a lightning detection system so the pilot can avoid any damage that come from the light. In conclusion, glass cockpit system is a modern aircraft cockpit system that we develop for the comfortable and smooth flight operation. The knowledge about this cockpit is not only for the pilot but also for the flight temperature and engineer. Many development have been doing for many development has been planned for the aiming that has a main vehicle that be used by people for when traveling in destination. That's all for our